All right. So welcome to our channel. Welcome to Ian's channel. Hello. So here's the thing. So previously, I made a little bit of modification to our modeling. So basically, we already made a watch. Okay, and things are a little bit complicated, and I'm not using pretty advanced technique. Okay, so I just want to quickly get the shape. Okay, and then we can change that to render results. Okay, so Ian, I want you to quickly look at this and change to render mode. So press the letter Z
Z.
on the keyboard.
Z. Boom.
Boom. So right now it's a solid mode. I want you to change and select the render mode.
Select where's
Render.
This one?
Render. Yeah, render.
This one?
Click. Yeah. Whoa, that's the rendered mode. Yeah.
That's like a couple years ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Couple
So
years ago you made this one.
yeah.
It's a little bit kind of if you move you can see the little bit bug happening.
Yeah, it's like rendering happening.
There
So
you
basically, render is like a computer is doing this calculation how lights shine on here, and then we can change the base color. So basically, I wanted you to experiment with this render mode a little bit. So for example, I
Can
want.
we save on the note one so we can do all these on
Yeah,
this one?
already save it. So yeah, so I want you to select the watch,
Watch?
the watch face. Yeah,
This one. This one.
maybe a little bit lower, I think.
Right
Lower.
here.
Yeah, here, select it. And then I want to change the color. So you can choose the base color.
Now it's blue.
Yeah, you want to change it to or whatever. You can pick a color.
What's this color? Let me look at it a bit.
I think,
Yellow, maybe yellow.
yeah, yellowish color, I think you could pick a color from the color wheel. Yellow.
Yellow. Here.
This is like green. You can try.
Yellow.
Yeah, you can drag it down. I think this is still greenish.
Here. What the heck?
Yeah, a little bit lower.
There.
Yeah, I think lower. This is like green. Lower, and right a little bit. A little bit hard because we got like a red. Yeah, click.
Right here.
Yeah, click.
How the?
Yeah,
There.
yellowish. Yeah. So basically, we changed the material. This is called material.
Yeah.
So while we are modeling, we do not look at the specific material that we're using. While we're modeling, we most of the time we use the wireframe mode, which is like a design, right? It's like design
Let's
about
disappear.
yeah, everything disappeared, only the like the outline of our model.
It's like all the colors are completely different.
Yeah, disappear and it's not solid, it's just a line. So basically, you want to design things this way. It's like using your pen, right? Let me just make it. So when you want to quickly sketch and design things, you get yourself a piece of paper, right?
Yeah.
And you quickly sketch it on here. So I want to get a pen. So here's my idea. Oh, a circle, and then it's just like a watch wrist, and then you can just draw something like this. Okay, just pure lines, really quick, really precise right now. So that's the this like wireframe mode. So if you Z, it's called wireframe mode.
Why?
It's like a wire, like a barbed wire. So it's like wire, like a string line. And once you think that is okay, you can change that to solid mode.
This one?
So basically solid mode, yeah, you can click it.
There we go.
Yeah, so basically solid mode is like the line, the wireframe, and you want to feel things inside.
It's like now it's white, but we still the color still disappear, but it do like white.
So it's like a base color. Okay, it's like a clay where we're building. It's like a building block. It's sort of like a neutral color, so it's a gray color.
Great.
Okay, and once you are finished with that, because this can give you some sort of volume. Okay, so basically you can see, well, this is the front and this is the back, so it's sort of obstruct the view. You can't see what's behind. You have to like rotate. But if you want to see what's behind, you can just do Z and go to wireframe. You can see through it.
Blue.
But if you use the solid mode, you can't see through it, right? So then, once you are finished with that, then you can add the material preview. Okay, select the material preview.
This one.
Yeah.
Boo!
Yeah, material preview will give you a really quick preview of the material. You can see that it's a little bit cartoonish.
Oh,
Okay.
let move it. Click this one.
Yeah, you click the center wheel and you click, drag, and you can move.
Look at this. This is like all like the tree and the blue sky color.
Yeah, this is like environment light, sort of a realistic, and we use a different material for the watches, like surface, like a protective layer, sort of like a glass, so it will reflect whatever environment that, for example, right now it's like a trees.
But we didn't see through it.
Yeah, we didn't see through it because it's not realistic.
I don't reflect it.
Yeah, realistic, you need to change the view mode, press Z, press Z, and then you select the render mode.
This one?
Yeah, render mode. Select, point and select.
Boo.
Yeah, render mode is like using your realistic lighting to render everything. So basically, when they do the simulation, right? So let me just make myself a little bit bigger so you guys can understand. So basically, when you do the simulation, right? This is like a better lighting. So right now, like look at me, right? I got a light shine here, and I got the forehead like reflective light, right?
Reflect it like this. This one.
Yeah, you can also reflect light, right? You got like a surface that can like reflect light, and as you guys can see, we got a tiny little bit shadow here because like below the light can't shine through, so I can get a shadow. See the shadow? See the shadow? Shadow go here, shadow go here, right? You can still see the finger shadow. Look at that. We got like the shadow follow my fingers, right? You can see the shadow here. Right? You can see the shadow of your glass. Okay. So basically, in the modeling software, we need to calculate this shadow. So basically, we calculate, hey, there's a light, and then computer say, oh, there's a light, and then the light shine here, so light shine here, there's these edges, and then the light will reflect it, so reflect it once, twice, 3 times, and all that. So it's kind of like a ray tracing sort of rendering. So basically, they are calculating. So once the light shine here, even though the say the sweater that I'm wearing is red, okay, but if it's directly like shine, there's like light shine upon that sweater, it's a brighter. So if you look at that, this still green, but it's like a darker green. Okay.
Mine.
Yeah, for example, your skin's color, right? This is like a brighter, right? For example, you got the glass. This is like the far side of the glass, so it's a sort of like a magnified glass. So here the light is like lighter, and then your skin will be darker here, and then this skin here will be even darker. So the color do change, and so in the modeling software, we can also render that by calculation. So basically, we are like simulate a light shining from above. So even though we choose just one color of the yellow here, okay, but the directly shine upon color yellow as well as the size yellow is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So every time if I change, come on, change your viewpoint a little bit.
What's view? This one?
Yeah, drag and hold.
Drag and hold.
Yeah, click and hold. So every time you change view, you can see that is get pretty blurry, and then gradually become clear. That's because computer is calculating.
Yeah.
Okay, they're calculating different like lights, shadowing, and all that. They need to calculate that.
Let me go a little bit bird view, please.
You want to go to bird view?
How to do that off?
Bird view is like
Do that off.
7. 7 is like bird view. You look at from top, right? So every time you change, you need
to. So blurry.
Yeah, and then it's gradually calculate. So you need to calculate how light renders, how to calculate all these lights and colors and all that, then finally render it out. So basically, we can see that. Okay.
Let's go a bird view really quickly.
Yeah. So you can see how realistic it is.
Ooh.
Yeah, and also because we are talking about render, in the Blender, we got like a different render engine. So this option is like a camera. It's called render properties. So basically, we can use Cycle. It's a different render engine. We can use Eevee. As you can see, Eevee's engine do not properly render the glass effect. Okay. Of course, we can use the quickest workbench render. So it will give you something like this, which is not too good. Okay. So if you want realistic, so like out of the box, you can use the Cycle engines, and then
look at this. What's it called? Watch pop out.
yeah,
pop
yeah,
out
yeah. Everything
face.
just become big.
Look at the watch face.
Yeah, watch face. All right.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Nice bird view of the watch face.
Yeah, bird view. And by the way, you can use the shortcuts of numCode 7 for the bird view. Yeah. What about front? If you want to go front,
This one.
yeah, press it. Yeah, there's front view. What about side view?
So 3.
Yeah, side view. Yeah.
And then
Bird.
7.
Bird view. Yeah, you already mastered that. Oh, by the way, we did not switch on the screencast key. So press N.
And
Yeah, if you press again, it will just disappear. Do you see this like menu here? If you press N again, please press N again. It will disappear.
yeah.
Okay, you want to quickly get it out. Come on, get it out. N. Press N, you get it out. And you click the screencast key tab. This is a screencast key tab here.
this one.
Yeah, no, right here. This one.
What this one?
This one. Yeah, tab it.
This one?
Yeah, click it. Yeah,
Ooh.
and then you switch on the screencast key.
This one?
Switch on screencast key.
This one?
There's like a box you need to tick. This is a color. Go up here.
Here.
Yeah, click it. Yeah, so we can get the mouse showing on the screen so everyone can see what we are doing.
Like this mouse.
Yeah, if you like move this mouse, you can see this key being pressed. So for example, you press 7, you can see numpad 7. Okay, if you press 1, numpad 1. Okay, and let me just deselect here. Okay, so you can press numpad, you can see. So for example, numpad, you want to press numpad 1,
What?
7, okay, 1, numpad 1. So it sort of
That was
indicating.
7.
Yeah,
Numpad
numpad
7.
Yeah, numpad. Numpad is a short for number pad. So it's like a pad, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So it's like a number pad. And there's also like basic calculation here: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and number log. So basically, you can log.
How does 0 do?
Now 0 will give us. Yeah, that's a good question. If you press 0, try that.
Oh.
Is the camera view. So basically, this is a camera's perspective. So basically, there's a camera.
Yeah.
If you press F12,
F12. Ooh.
this rendered image
Yeah.
is when you, at the angle of a camera, you take that shot and you render that out.
Oh, look at these pictures. It's
Yeah.
so real.
Yeah, realistic. Yeah, and you can make it bigger. You tap this, you can make it whole screen.
This one?
Yeah,
Ooh.
and you can zoom in and out. Come on, zoom in. Zoom in, you can see the detail.
You can see detail.
Yeah, pretty detailed, huh?
Let me change it a little bit.
Ooh, yeah, pretty detailed. Render.
Detailed. If you zoom in a kind
Yeah.
of Minecraft.
Yeah, this is like in Minecraft, it become pixelated. This is called pixelated. So basically, you always just calculate all these
Oh,
pixels.
like this, like zoom
Oh, yeah,
so
it's a-
in.
Yeah,
okay,
become
no,
more
no.
fine-tuned.
And if you zoom so in, there's a little bug.
Yeah, a little bit.
Bug out.
Yeah, blurry, become blurry, and this is called pixelated because you got a lot of pixel. So basically, it's just become pretty fine-tuned render results. Perfect. Yeah, I love it. So basically, when you press camera 0, you go to this. This is like a photo.
Yeah.
Right? This is like a photo now. So what I'm gonna do is to get close. Yeah, you don't need to move it. You can close it here.
There
Okay.
we go.
So you can move the camera as well. So basically, if you want to change the final render result, you can also move the camera. And I wanted you to look at the camera, okay? So see the camera. This is the camera. This is the camera.
like a pyramid.
Yeah, it's pyramid, kind of like pyramid. This is a light. This is your camera. Okay, so basically, if you press the number 0, you just snap that to the camera. Okay.
Zero?
Yeah. You do not click it. You look at the screen and you press it. Snap.
Ooh.
Yeah, snap to the camera. So as if you are the first person view in that camera, and then this is the camera's view perspective.
Look at that skin.
Yeah. Pretty interesting. Okay, so I do a quick modeling on like a few minutes to build this. I know it's a pretty crappy, guys, and so I want to quickly build something that Ian really like and can keep his interest, so he can like continue to learn. Okay, so next time we're going to learn a little bit about the camera as well as the light, hopefully. So yeah. And we are going to close the recording and see you next video. Bye.